Welcome to Database Mart. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up and manage your domain step by step, from registration to DNS configuration to final verification. Step 1. Order a domain. First, go to Database Mart's domain registration website. Enter the domain name you want and choose a domain extension. Click Search to check if the domain is available. If it is available, click Order Now to proceed to the order page, where you can select the register period, add additional resources, or leave any additional requirements. Click Checkout, and after confirming that all information is correct, click Make Payment to complete the purchase. Step 2. Domain DNS Management. When your domain purchase is successful, you will be automatically redirected to the DNS Management interface. Log into your control panel, go to the domain page, and click Manage. Then click NS and DNS, where you'll find two main ways to manage DNS. Method 1. Choose default name server from provider. Click Add Record to create a new DNS record. In the Type field, choose the record type. For example, if you want to point the domain to an IP address, select A. In the Name field, enter the subdomain, and in the IP field, enter the IP address. After confirming the information, click Confirm. If you want to update the IP, simply click the Edit button in the DNS record list. To change the type or name, delete the entry and add a new one. Method 2. Customizing your name server. Select the second option, and the system will automatically open a window to modify the domain servers. Enter your name server details, then click Confirm. Step 3. Verification. After registration, the registrar will send a verification email to your provided address. Simply open it, follow the instructions, and complete the process. Otherwise, your domain will be suspended. That's how you set up and manage your domain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.